Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you an easy and tasty Piri Piri chicken wrap recipe. I use Nandos Piri Piri for marinating the chicken. So we start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. For a nice color, make sure the oil is hot and you cook the chicken on a high heat. For this chicken wrap recipe, I use chicken breast because they cook faster and they absorb very well the peri sauce. Try to cook one side at a time and you only turn them when they are half cooked. Turn them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as they are ready, place the chicken on a plate. As you can see, we got a nice color on the chicken from the high heat. For the wrapping, we are preparing a simple salad out of cucumber, tomatoes, and gem lettuce. To make the wrap, I take 1 tortilla and spread some Nandos Piri Piri mayonnaise. Then add the salad, the chicken, and finish with lemon juice. To wrap this, I just fold the bottom, then the sides. You can secure it with a toothpick. This is a quick and easy lunch for you to take away. Trust me, you'll enjoy this more than any supermarket sandwiches. I would love to know if anybody tried this recipe, and if you did, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.